Hey guys, John from A Global. If you're looking for a vertical storage DIY rack, this video is for you. I'm excited to show you how I built a cheap wood storage rack for vertical storage for woodworking, carpentry, welding, and plumbing for storage and organization. I've also included home decorating ideas in my video for storage ideas. If you're into workshop fabrication in your shop, this may help. So a little tip is if you have a lot of long pieces that need to be stored and there's not a huge abundance of them, a lot of times you can just hang them from the ceiling along the wall. Or maybe you have like wrapping paper that can easily be stored in a small vertical can. And just organizing things in one spot, similar to this battery organizer. Rather than have them all roll around in a drawer, you can hang them on a door or in an inconspicuous place where you know you have everything together. And this is great for prepper storage or something like that. You can get multi-packs of these. And if you like this video so far, please click the like button below. I'll have affiliate links on some of these products. If you're like me looking to store lumber, most of us have limited storage space. So really, the best option is to store lumber vertically. Lumber stored vertically should be raised off the ground to prevent water damage and be supported at the top and bottom to prevent bowing. If storing lumber vertically, make sure it's supported and elevated. I'm not sure if you can see this, but there's actually a 2x4 box placed on that, and there's 2x10s. They're on a 15-degree angle to help allow the wood to lean up against the back wall of the plywood. Now that plywood is actually on a small angle also to give it some more support, so it'll remove any, well, try to at least eliminate some of the bending that'll happen over time. So obviously you can see there's metal, wood, and PVC piping in this. So there's actually a lot of space here to store these things. So I'm trying to be as helpful as I can, and it just has a simple shelf, and this is mounted to the wall here. It's actually held so it doesn't go forward, but try to keep like things together, and by doing that it makes it a lot easier when you're going to do a project to figure out what you need. I guess this may be helpful. If you're going to use storage bins, try to get all the same color storage bin, design it so it all fits equally, and label them. And similar to here, just if you're going to buy something, make sure it's all equal and it looks the same and it works for your needs. With a little time, effort, pre-planning, and understanding what you have and what you really need to store, you can actually make some really nice storage for yourself for what you need. Now, obviously, this room is still under a little construction. There's more that has to go into it, but I hope you like what I have and have to show, and maybe this will help you out. Please click the like button and subscribe. Thank you.